Hey guys, welcome to episode 2 in my series on how to make a Gorilla Tag fan game. So let's just dive straight into it. In today's video you'll be adding Photon, so let's go to Unity Hub to open our previous game that we worked on in the last video. So yeah, you just double click on the Unity Hub icon, and then once it opens, click on the game you was working on. So yeah. And as you can see, we'll have the same project from yesterday if you saved. So that includes the Gorilla Rig and the platform. So in a Google tab, obviously you're not going to be able to go in here because this is mine, but go to the two Unity Asset Store things, and then click add to my assets, and then click accept, and then do the same for that. And then once you have those, go into window, package manager, and then in packages click my assets, and then it should fetch them, and then click import, well, download then import, and then do the same thing, select download, import. Okay, so then now get something called PhotonVR. So go to your web browser and then search up PhotonVR, spelled like that, and then make sure it's by a GitHub user called FCHB1239, and then click on download and get pre-release 0.05, and then just drag it in here, and then click import, and then click yes and for any other files that might be found later. And then once you're in here, click on resources, PhotonVR, prefabs. Select all of those by selecting one and then pressing shift and then selecting that one, and then drag into there, and then we're going to go back onto Google, going onto dashboard.photonengine.com, click create a new app, select the Photon SDK to be pun, and then just do it as the app name, so tutorial game in my case. And yeah, one thing I forgot to mention, but this is because it launches in my second monitor, go to Photon Unity Network, Pun Wizard, Setup Project, although you'll be on this screen from when you import it. And once you made the thing, scroll down, click on it, press Ctrl C, and then paste, and then click setup. So now go into PhotonVR Manager, put app ID as your pun app ID, then go back into the dashboard, click create new app, voice, and then just do it the game name dash voice chat, click create, and then do the same thing, and yeah, these should auto set up. So now once you go into the game, you should automatically join. Oh yeah, don't forget to import TMP, which I'll show you how to do in a minute. But if I turn off gizmos, as you can see, we now have a Photon player model because we're inside a lobby. So if you go out to play mode, into resources, PhotonVR, player, click import TMP essentials, and yeah, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial. So just remember to press Ctrl S or go to File, Save. And yeah, if you enjoyed that, like and subscribe.